Today I'll show you how to quickly soften the skin in Photoshop using a very cool technique. First of all, make a copy of your image layer, which is our background in this case, by holding Ctrl and J at the same time. It's command for Mac users. Then press Ctrl and I to invert that layer. Now set the blending mode of this new layer to vivid light. Then go to Filter, Other, and then click on High Pass. Here, just increase the value to 20 and hit OK. Go to Filter again, this time click on Gaussian Blur and increase the value to 5. Next, hold Alt and click on the mask button at the same time. This will create a negative mask and will allow us to brush over our subject. Activate the mask tool and just brush over your subject's face. And as you can see, the freckles are slowly but surely starting to get removed. But make sure to stay away from the edges. And after doing that for some time, you will see some big improvements. This is the before and this is the after. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.